right, we're going to review some vocabulary for topic 13. A set of rules that describes the order in which calculations are done is known as the order of operations. Order of operations. There it is right there. Blank, blank, and blank are symbols used in mathematical expressions to group numbers or variables. We say parentheses, brackets, and braces. And blank is a mathematical phrase that contains numbers and at least one operation. We call that a numerical expression. Okay, give an example of a numerical expression and a non-example of a numerical expression. So we can look right around on the page there. A numerical expression could be 3 plus 6. A non-numerical expression could be A, or just the number 4. Expression with parentheses, 2 plus 2. A non-expression, 2 plus 4. No parentheses, parentheses. Draw a line from each number in column A to the correct value in column B. 3 plus 6 times 2. Remember, we do PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We do parentheses first, then we follow by exponents, which there aren't any in this, and we do multiplication and divide before we do add and subtract. So in this case, we're going to do the 6 times 2 first is 12. So 3 plus 12 is 15. Nice straight lines. That wasn't really straight, but use straight lines. We do it inside the parentheses first. So we do 8 minus 5 is 3. 12 times 3 comes next because multiplication comes next. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 minus 7 is 29. For number 8, we do what's inside the parentheses first, so that's 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 times, what am I doing here? Hang on. 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. And we do what's in the parentheses first. 13 minus 6 is 7. Let me just write that one out for you, because I don't have enough room to wiggle it in there. We do what's inside the parentheses first. And if you're in middle school, a lot of your teachers are going to want you to rewrite the whole problem. And then we do multiply and divide first from left to right. So we're going to do 20 divided by 5 is 4. And the second thing we'll do is 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus, or 4 plus 14 is 18. So that one goes down here. And then the last one, we've got those lovely little braces. 10 times 11. Whoops. Let me rewrite that. Get back here. Number 10. Open braces. 10 times bracket 11 minus 36 divided by 4 braces, or parentheses, bracket, and braces. So we do inside first. This is going to be our first thing we'll do. Then we will subtract because we're still inside. We go from parentheses first, then we do brackets, then we do braces. And the last thing we'll do is multiply. So we do 36 divided by 4 is 9. So we have 11 minus 9. 10 times 11 minus 9. So we have 10 times 2. And our final answer is 20. Explain why the order of operations is important. Use at least 3 terms from the word list in your explanation. The order of operations is important to evaluate numerical expressions, and you want to make sure everybody's getting the same answer. And a good way to check your calculators to make sure they follow order of operations. Some of the junky little calculators don't, is just put something in your calculator like 10 plus 2 times 6, and because you're so smart, you do the 2 times 6 first, and then the last thing you do is add 10, so you should have 22. If your calculator is not following order of operations, it'll go left to right, and it'll say 10 plus 2 is 12 times 6 is 72. So if you get a 72, you know your calculator does not follow order of operations. So keep that in mind when you are using a calculator. And that's a review of vocabulary.